Alright, so here we are in the greenhouse, and I want to show you my jicama I got sprouted and starting to grow. Now, I don't know how long this thing is actually going to take to actually form a vine that's going to grow into something at all. I mean, I don't expect much out of it, but I'll try to get you a good, clear view without it going like right there. So you can see that it's sprouted, and I don't know how many leaves it's going to get on it before the end of the year, but I'm going to end up digging this thing back up and cutting it open and eating it eventually. Hopefully it's not rotten inside like the one we just did a review on. But that's what we got started on the jicama. Now, I don't notice any progress really with it. It's pretty much went like this, and then that was all I seen. Never did anything else. So once the end of the year comes, we'll see how far this thing gets, or if I see any other major progress, we will definitely update you on that. So we'll see how far we can get with it, and maybe we'll cut this one open and retaste it. Alright, so we're updating the progress of the jicama, and I'm going to pull this out of here because I hope it didn't root. Yeah, it rooted. You see the roots right there. I just pulled it out because I need to put it in a pot, to be honest with you, and put it in sunlight and whatnot. But this is the progress of it so far, and it's doing pretty good. As you can see, roots came out of it, and I want to bring this in for the winter. It's still hard and firm, so it's probably still in good shape. But I want to bring it in for winter and try to keep it growing through the winter and see how it does indoors. And I might want to, you know, let it grow for a while. Now, this is a vine that comes up, so eventually this thing will shoot up a vine, but it really needs to be in a pot. I should have never put it where I put it because it just got crowded out by the light from the other plants. So this kind of needs to be in the sunlight, I think. I could be wrong about that, but nonetheless, we are going to put it in a pot, and we will bring it in. So I'll update you again once it's in a pot and it's growing and that kind of a thing. I'll give you an update once I see some more change to it, or this gets a little bigger. So we'll see what happens.